Okay guys, I want to show you the pantry now. I've taken some canned goods out so there's still space, but I wanted to show you guys how it looks before I finish the remodel. Yeah, I tried organization in here, and as you see, not working too good, so I'm working on it. So this is the before. Give you a good look of all this mess. And over there were a lot of canned goods. And I am getting rid of all our canned goods and getting fresh vegetables. I'm getting rid of all that cereal up there. Dry cereal is going in those containers. All that dry cereal is going. Only one I probably keep will be the Cheerios. I have added these Dollar Tree mitts and pot holders and to the wall here beside the stove. And we're going to open up this pantry and you can see what I've done. Okay, guys, I'm going to give you an overview look first. Now we're going to start with the floor. As you see, I have a wicker box basket, and I put all my paper goods, you know, paper plates, cups, napkins, everything there. Here in the center is where I keep the big containers of tea and coffee, my husband's thermos, one of his cups he takes to work, and over here in the corner is shortening and empty coffee container that we keep the little ketchup packages in from fast food joints if we go. My stock pots are in the back with a big bag of rice on top because I ran out of room for rice. And here on this shelf here, I'm most proud of my old containers, canisters. I put them here, and I put the rest of the dried beans and pasta that I didn't already have in these containers. These containers here are my first canister set I ever bought, and I painted the tops red because I was doing the kitchen in red. Of course, they have dried beans in them as well, but I think this turned out pretty well as for storage. And you see the paper liner is my favorite one, the Black Roses from the Dollar Tree. Now the next shelf I did with the copper baskets from Walmart. I ordered some offline. I bought the smaller ones here. The small one here, these four rather. I bought them at Walmart and they were a bit small. It wasn't the size I wanted. I wanted them a little bigger. I put the shelf in here so I could have room to put my bags here and another shelf there, another basket rather there. Now these labels, chalk labels, you know these labels, guys. I got these at the Dollar Tree. I can't remember when I got them. Here I keep in this basket, as you see, it says cornbread mix. This one here keeps all my baking items and goods I use to bake with. Anything I use to bake with is in this basket here. And again, you see that paper I love. The next shelf. Here I saw this can holder on Be My Guest with Denise. And I ordered it, and I got rid of most of my canned goods because we're trying not to use a lot of salt and so forth. And I kept my soups and tuna and applesauce. I keep those on there. I keep those organized. Here in this basket, I'm getting some new labels made because I don't like my handwriting is horrible. But this one is oils and vinegars. And then this basket here is healthy mixes, like my husband purchased some fit-free ice cream mix and some tea mixes and flax seeds and things like that are in this basket. Now the next row here, all these baskets, which you see with the fronts on them like these, they were ordered offline from Walmart. So here I have, this one is where I keep breakfast stuff in. It's like oatmeal mix, so forth. This one here is snacks. And this one here on the end is peanut butter. My husband loves peanut butter, and there's a lot of different peanut butters in there. And on the end here, as you see, I have my 2 pasta containers that I've had before. Okay, and then on the next row here, these 2 dish boxes here, I just got these in. I haven't been able to go buy the paper to put in the front to make them white yet, but that's what's going to hold pancake mix. This one here holds crackers. This one over here, they ran out of the size of the baskets that I needed at Walmart, so I'm waiting for them to get some more in. I need 2 more of these and 1 more of the medium size. So this one here holds syrups and forgot what's in here. It's syrups and things like that in that one. And in this one over here, this holds my teas. I have a lot of teas in there. And on the back of there are my tall 2 pasta containers. Now on the very tip top shelf, the first thing holds all my spices that I use to refill my drawer. This one here holds my husband's barbecue pit spices. And over here you see my cereals in their containers there. So I think I did an overall good job of reorganizing my pantry. I like how it turns out. Everything has a place. And as soon as I get the other baskets in, everything will be complete. But I wanted to show you guys what I've done so far. I'm really loving the organization of it all. So guys, this is Stephanie with Creatively Miss Me saying if you're not a member of the Creatively Miss Me family, please do so by clicking the subscribe button that's down below. And also there's a bell next to it. Click that bell twice. And that bell will let you know every time I upload a video. And also guys, please follow me on my social media accounts. And guys, this is Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me saying thank you for watching. And you guys be blessed.